To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Coinspot, you need to follow a series of steps. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Accounts page. From there, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw option. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your Coinspot wallet. To find this address, log into your Coinspot account and navigate to the Deposit page. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and click on the Show Deposit Address option. Copy the address and paste it into the recipient address field on Crypto.com. Before initiating the transfer, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Crypto.com account to cover the transaction fees. Transaction fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, so it is essential to check the fees before transferring. Once you have entered the recipient address and checked the fees, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. After confirming the transaction, the funds will be transferred from your Crypto.com account to your Coinspot account. The transfer time varies depending on network congestion and the cryptocurrency being transferred. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency between exchanges can be subject to security checks, which may delay the transfer. To avoid delays, ensure you follow the exchange's guidelines and use the correct network when transferring cryptocurrency. To verify the transfer, log into your Coinspot account and navigate to the Accounts page. The transferred funds should be reflected in your account balance. If the funds do not appear, contact the exchange's support team for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Coinspot. Always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to avoid errors and potential losses.